Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Attention Camaro lovers, which is just about everybody. I think it's our best-selling car. This is a nice body off the frame restored Rally Sport Super Sport, numbers matching big block, numbers matching automatic, number matching posi rear end. It's a rare British green color. It was born that way, deluxe interior. And I just found this in the glove box. This is a voided out title showing the guy bought it in 1987 until 2020. So same owner for 34 years. And then this is a punch card. I don't know if anyone's ever figured out how to tell what it means, but that goes down the assembly line with the car, I assume. But these were in the glove box. Anyway, go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs. You can study over 100 pictures, and that's where you'll find prices. We have over 200 collector cars for sale right now at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, join me and let's go for a spin. Yeah, underneath the car is very tidy. Like I said, it was body off the frame. It's just a subframe up front, but they removed that, the whole front clip, new bushings. The front end was gone through, the ball joints, bushings, spindles, all that looks real nice. Rear suspension, same thing, just leaf springs and shocks, but they look real nice. The fuel tank has obviously been replaced. It looks like new, and the straps and the sending unit, the lines were replaced. The brakes were restored. It has the factory drum in back, optional disc in front. The e-brake assembly is all hooked up. It's got what looks to be a correct exhaust system. It has a transverse muffler, so it has two pipes going into one muffler. It sits sideways, and then two tailpipes. So the correct style exhaust. You look up at the motor, it's nice clean Chevy orange. The Turbo 400 automatic is VIN number matching to the car. The tag that's riveted to the side of it is dated 1968. In back it has its original 336 posi 12-bolt rear end. It has the correct code, and it's also dated to this car. That's how we know it's the original for this car. So underneath this one is really very exceptional, very nice. The floors, I knew I was forgetting something. The floors are beautiful, clean metal. The factory spot welds, the seams, the floors are just really nice and clean under this car. The body is excellent. I just went around it looking down the sides, across the roof. It's straight. I didn't find any problem areas. I didn't find any bubbles or dents or issues. The body looks to be in really nice shape. The hood sits up a little bit. Push that down. It goes down just fine. No vinyl tops. It's all British green. That's the way it was ordered. I forget the code, but it's pictures on our website of the trim tag, and I did double check that. But this is all nice and smooth. No issues up here. That can be a problem area, but it all looks good. It is a metal flake. It's laid out evenly. Very smooth, glossy finish. It has front and rear spoilers. All the chrome looks like it was replaced. Tail lights, SS gas cap, bumper. Because it's a rally sport with the hideaway lights, it has the reverse lights down here. Normal Camaro has reverse lights built into the tail light. All this looks good. Original glass has a couple light scratches. The stainless trim has been replaced all around the windows. Now the Rally Sport has trim on top of the doors here. It has light surface scratches on it that would polish out. So this doesn't look new, but it's really nice and straight. Door handle, mirrors have been replaced. Windshields replaced. The SS Ice Cube trays look new. Marker lights, emblems, wheel moldings. New 14x7 rally wheels, all new shiny trim, the correct derby cap in the middle. Now these are the new radial red lines that look like the old polyglass tires. And they're brand new. They still have the nubs on the tread, so they look like the original Firestone F70 tires, but they are radials. Redlines, obviously. The headlights, when we back the car out, you'll see them open and close. They're converted to electric. They zip right open and shut. The antenna base is correct. That looks like new. The mast is oval. That is correct, but the mast is a little dull. That looks original. Glass fits nice. Nice glass. Weather strips are replaced. So it has a deluxe interior. Part of that package is the molded armrest door panels. I can't say they're new. They did pop a screw in here, and it's got a couple places where the vinyl is lifted a little bit. So it's not new, but it's in really nice shape. Headliner and visors are new. Trunk compartment, just a clean, solid trunk. Under the trunk lid's painted, the jambs painted, new weather strip. It's got a new mat, one of the cheaper mats, a little flimsy. The deluxe interior has upgraded upholstery. It was replaced. The carpet looks new. This has factory gauges, so it has the console with the gauge pack. It also has a tachometer in the dash. They seem to all be working. The interior dash lights worked. Upgraded walnut steering wheel. Has an original quality to it. The carpet, upholstery is replaced, but the knobs, the vents, the heater control panel, that is not beat up. Don't take it the wrong way, but there's a little bit of patina on it where you know that stuff's not new. Same with the seat belts. It has a complete set of original seat belts. Very clean, tidy motor compartment. In the engine, I did look at the numbers closely. They do match. The codes, the dates, the casting numbers all line up properly. It's very neatly painted. Chevy orange, runs real well. Stock manifolds, stock carburetor, reproduction valve covers and air cleaner, a new fuel pump, new alternator, GM reproduction hoses and clamps. The fan shroud looks right. Delco battery topper, cadmium plated brake booster, the master, all that looks pretty new. Door jambs painted nicely. So yeah, just a body off frame restored car with a little bit of original still showing. Seems to be a good honest car. That's the impression I got. And again, rally sport, super sport, big block, number matched throughout. That's very desirable stuff right there. And how often do you see this color? It's a rare original color. So I just gave you my impression of this bad boy. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures. That's where you can find the salesman. They'll tell you all about the car, any unanswered questions you have. They can help get it delivered to your door. They can help you get it financed. That's at volocars.com. And I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon, and you'll see the next one that's posted. Thanks for watching.